Yo, DeGray, EP. Yo, you know, we gonna do it like this, man. Speak some real shit. DeGray. Smoking a cigarette once in a while, looking at the birds, ain't that sound? Can we speak while you talk? Don't matter what you do, speak. I let my actions speak. I don't gotta speak. I might waste precious glory in a separate body in my neighborhood. This ain't no joke. I pray to my Lord. I tell, oh Lord, please watch. Oh, I'm trying to get by, watching the daily hit from my honey. Got me going blind in this hell, got me swinging. To make a click answer, cause these bitches try to hold me to my death. Boy, I'm fucking these hoes, they claim to be low, young, ain't that story? They laughing at your ass, they tickle on your mind, what they saying. They love you, she only calls you when she want a thing. She put it in your ass like a get in your chest. Brothers say take a hit, brothers say take a hit. Cause it got me going wild, making me do what I normally don't do. Ain't that sorry, ain't that sad when I wanna go wrong, but I'm stuck in the gutter, but I'm doing. If I don't achieve, I won't go anyway, but if I do, I will go many places, can you feel me? We in South America, I speak my language, I speak my tongue. This hidden mystery and hidden history. We gotta face this fact, we trap this bird. Mama used to say, fuck this world, we curse this bird. Even I dated fool like it's brand new food, can you understand me? We feeling ourselves cause we got ourselves, we got nothing but about a penny in a cup full of sweat in this misery. If you wanna go the wrong, you come with a land and a half on, but US got you, they got you, like a son to his father. Feel me? DeGray? What? You got it. Huh? Tell me. Let it loose. With the clips.